Hi, I'm Kristen from Elevate Homes. This house is heading off to Otoko in the Gisborne region to a lovely leafy spot surrounded by hills and rural landscape. So the exterior colours, the clients have chosen this Karaka green for the iron, and this lovely sort of soft grey green of the cedar I think will just look beautiful in its new surroundings. It's a box 145 house here. We've done a number of tilt and barn 145s over the years, but this is actually the first box 145 model that we've done, but I don't think it'll be our last. It's a very good looking building. The 145 plan has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a separate scullery and a separate laundry, and is 145 square metres. So we'll go in and have a look. Okay, we're here in the beautiful light bright main living area of the home. With the tilt and barn roof styles, clients have the option of raising the ceiling pitch up to about a 3.4 metre apex. Obviously though, in the box model they don't have that option, but the ceiling height in here is 2.55 metres, so it's still higher than an average 2.4 metre ceiling height that you get in a normal home. So still feel really lovely, spacious and bright. One feature I wanted to point out in this home that I love is the use of this native Rimu timber. The clients actually reclaimed it from their old homestead, and our very clever joinery team put it together for the open shelving above the hob in the kitchen, on the island bench here, back of the island bench, and they've also used it in the entertainment unit that you can see in the corner over there. So it's really nice to bring some history in, and it really does add a personal touch to the home, I feel. So I think now we'll go in and explore the kitchen a bit further. Okay, this kitchen uses some lovely colours inspired by nature, and provides some good examples of some of our standard features in the Elevate kitchens. This black gooseneck tap, for example, and engineered stone bench top are our usual products, as are the Bosch appliances used in the kitchen, this oven here, the range hood and the hob, although the clients in this instance have gone for gas rather than electric. The layout and cabinetry in here are based on our user spec as well. We've got a full height pantry at the end here with a good amount of storage in there, and a really good number of cupboards and drawers throughout. So they're all soft closed drawers, which are really lovely and really nice and deep and wide. The only changes really that the client has gone for in here are the open shelving above the bench. Usually we would have just more cupboards up there, and in this instance they've also swapped the fridge space, or fridge will go there, and the oven. Usually it's on they're opposite. But if you want to come down the end of the kitchen, down here towards the scullery, a little hidden scullery away in here. Just excuse the cable there, temporary cable. This is a good example of what comes as standard. Open shelving in here and this lovely laminate bench top. The only addition the clients have gone for is a pantry here in the corner, for additional storage. So that's the kitchen. We might just head now around the corner and down the short hallway and have a look at the rest of the house. Okay, follow me down the hallway here. Right, we've got this laundry here at the end of the hallway, beside the back door and hidden away behind these bifold doors. So it's quite a decent size. We've got a room on this side for a wall hung dryer and a washing machine, underbench washing machine here. Got laminate bench top, sink with the chrome tap again, and with the little nozzle that comes out, which is handy in a laundry, with over and under cupboards. And then at the end here we've got a full height again storage cupboard, linen cupboard or utility cupboard, whatever you want to use that for. So a lot of storage in this home. So we'll just close those up again and make our way down the hallway. Further down the hallway here, on the left we have bedroom 2 and bedroom 3 with another linen cupboard in the middle there, but we'll come and have a look in this bedroom first. So the bedrooms in the 145 are a really decent size. They're 3.6 by 3.5, and they all have these lovely large sliding windows, which just allow in a lot of light. We also come with an inbuilt wardrobe in the corner here, and they're fitted out with a shelf and rail fit out in there. So we'll head across the hallway now. Bedroom 3 is the same setup as this one, so we don't need to look in there. Well, we've got a separate toilet opposite the linen cupboard there. And then alongside that we have the main bathroom in here. Usually we'd have a 1.2 metre shower in here, but we've reduced the size a little bit to 1 by 1, and in order to accommodate this sort of beautiful corner bath here, and we've also added the privacy wall. We've got in this corner we've got a lovely 1.2 very generous size vanity with the frameless glass, or frameless mirror, sorry, and the vanity light above that. So all good examples of what you would see in a standard Elevate bathroom. But we'll head now to the master suite end of the house. Okay, so we've just come out of the main bathroom here. If you wanted to follow me down to the end of the hallway here into the master bedroom. So this is obviously at the very end of the house, away from the hustle and bustle of the main living area, which is at the opposite end. This bedroom is a really good size. It's almost 5 metres wide, which is sort of hard to gauge on the video how roomy these bedrooms are, but people are often really pleasantly surprised when they come and view these homes in person at the sizes of the bedrooms. Very nice and spacious usually. So on the opposite side of the bedroom we've got the walk-in wardrobe to the right. I'll have a little look in there. And then to the left of that we have the ensuite. You go on first. So the ensuite here, there's not many changes or upgrades in here. We've got the standard shower, which is a 1.2 by 900 for this model. It's also got all our Hansa, European Hansa chrome fittings in the shower. And as I say, over here we've got our usual 1.2 metre vanity, which we saw in the bathroom with the frameless mirror and the vanity light. So quite a good example again of a standard Elevate ensuite. So that really concludes the tour of our box 145. If you're interested or want to learn more or just have a chat, please give us a call or visit www.elevatehomes, and we'd love to hear from you. Okay, thanks for listening. Bye for now.